Bushmaster XM-15. We're just back here on it's been the first sunny day in a long time here in southern Kentucky. We're just taking a little walk through the woods. Might take a few shots while we're out here. As I said, this is the Bushmaster XM-15. I don't think I've never showed this rifle before. I've had it for quite a while, but I was taking a few shots with it here. I've never had a gun-induced failure with this. I've had some cheap magazines before fail. But overall, especially for bang for your buck, I think this is a great AR-15. What we're also trying to do out here, we're doing a little ammo testing. This is the Silver Bear 223 5.56. It's one of the cheapest 223 5.56 rounds out there, and that's what we've got in the gun right now. And so far, we've not had any failures. It's been running good. How about a little blast from the past too? I'm just going to give a quick close-up of my Bushmaster here. Kind of got back here in the back of the woods and just sitting down and enjoying the afternoon. I love that logo. I've got the Magpul forward grip there. I got the Magpul P-Mags. This is the one with the window. Gives you the round count. I've experimented with different optics on here, but you know, for what I found, what works for me best is just the good old iron sights. I hate having batteries go dead and everything else. So on this, you can actually take it and flip it and get a lot tighter peephole. I like that a lot. I think this day and age, everybody and their brother's got an AR-15, and they're just really fun guns to have. The ammo is not terribly expensive. They're light. As I said, there's really, and I'm sure a lot of you shot them before, so you know what I'm talking about. Most of you probably even have one. And if you don't have one, now is the great time to get one, because the market pretty much fell out of the bottom on them, and you can pick them up for a pretty reasonable price. I'll go and shoot just another time or two here. Nah, it's not gonna work. Let's see. That's probably good. But there we have it. The official model is the XM-15 E2. And like I said, so far with this Silver Bear ammunition, I've not had a single hang up with it. It's functioned flawlessly. I've not put it on paper for accuracy, but you know, that's not why you buy this type of ammo. It's more for minute of man. But there you have it.